Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Whew. And no one do it like such trades. And no one do it like such trades. And no one do it like such trades. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. We good. We good. We good. We good. Yo, what's good, Anthony? Yo, what's good, Tommy? Anyways, let me see. Trying to look at this. Whew. Wait. Yeah, we got some search and destroy type conditions today. We have some search and destroy type conditions today. Nothing looks super clear in my opinion on the charts right now. So, that being said, maybe. Give me one sec. All right. We had a clean. There was a clean trade pre-market. But right now we're just sorry. We're playing tennis within this within these two imbalances here. We have the 1 hour here, we have a 1 hour here. Wait. We pretty much almost retrace an equilibrium almost of this price leg. So let's see what happens. Powell is he speaking right now? I don't know if he's currently speaking, but Powell. All I know is that Powell was speaking this morning. I'm not too worried about it because it's not like a big news event. So just because he's speaking doesn't mean obviously you got to keep that in mind, but me personally, bro, I really don't see the need to worry about it, but keep it in mind though. Jay Powell, your Fed chairman, Powell, Jay Powell, brother. If you trade U.S. indices, please tell me you at least know who Jay Powell is. Again, we have buy side up here. Who is this, brother? You got some education. You need to. Nah, sorry. That kind of sounds rude. He's a federal chairman. I don't know why I was a little toxic right there. My bad. I apologize. But so there's the FOMC, which is in charge of our monetary supply. FOMC controls our monetary supply. He is the president of FOMC who controls our money supply. So if you're trading anything, you need to know who Jay Powell is because he's a significant influence over our money supply. We have this 5-minute imbalance here. Notice this displacement up higher after this 5-minute imbalance. We now have clear buy side here. I would like to see some form of manipulation at the lows. Yeah, I apologize, brother. Market opens in 4 minutes. Again, it doesn't look super clear. I would like to see one last move lower before then going higher if we do want to go higher. But notice that we do have displacement right now. And we have buy side resting above here. This just doesn't look the cleanest. We did have that little, this could be the manipulation, but I need to wait for it to be dumb clear. Like, this just doesn't look very, like, dumb clear in my opinion. So, we're going to wait. Need to wait to see more structure. Again, gonna be a great day building the base that we have. And did y'all see the madness in the Discord yesterday? Did any of y'all see that? Pretty much, I made a new Discord. Only join it if you trade ICT though, because you're not gonna get shit out of it if you don't trade ICT. And that's how I'm very glad I made the decision though, because do we have SMT here? No, we don't. Yeah, Mr. Dictator, it was crazy. I mean, it is what it is. Like, honestly, I just, like, gave that server to Ado, which I kind of regret, but I mean, it definitely does suck. Like, I was building that community for, like, months now, like 3 months, but it got to a point to when, like, man, this isn't really what I envisioned when I started the Discord. Literally, everyone trades. Literally, everyone trades this, like, this completely different things. This is not beneficial for a community. It really wasn't. Like, you have people in there posting, like, stock calls, and then other people are, like, trading Forex. I'm like, yeah, this is kind of cool, but is this really beneficial? And it got to a point to when, like, I tried to kind of make it my own. It kind of got out of control. I didn't feel like it was really my server. I felt like it was just a bunch of people in there. So I think it's definitely the best decision for me to create a new server, which I would much rather have 10 people in here that trade exactly how I do, that I can bounce ideas off of, than to have like 1,000 people in there that aren't going to be beneficial. Should I go long or short? Tommy, you should wait. Tommy, you should wait. You're going to get a great trade if you just wait, if you stay patient, and if you have confidence in what you are going to take. You're going to take a good trade today, Tommy. You're going to do it. You're going to do it with me. We're going to take a fantastic trade today. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be gorgeous. And yeah, that's the type of stuff I'm on. Need some trades before the weekend starts? Hey, if the opportunity is there, the opportunity will be there. If it's not, then it won't be there. Like I can't choose what the market presents me, neither can you. So with that being said, like, it's all up to the market to determine of what we get. But let's see. I'm excited, y'all. Today's a good day. Oh, bro, I made a mistake. I was gonna post my new Discord link in the description, but it's in my Instagram bio if you're curious about it. All right, what is going on right now? Am I still live at this point? My charts are completely bugging. Am I at least live still? I think we're good. Is there a section in your Discord to post P&L wins? I have a. I closed Discord. I have a journal section. I have a journal section, but I don't mess with P&L sections. I don't think P&L sections are good, bro. Literally, I don't care about your P&L. I strictly don't. And it got to a point to it in the other Discord. We had like there was a. S&T at these lows. There's no reason for price to bounce here, so I'm not touching anything. This just doesn't look clear. I would like to see us come back in this 5-minute bounce, take this little low in there, and then possibly bounce. But yeah, there was like a trading competition in there. Live bet. There was like a trading competition in there, and I don't like that. I did not like it, so decided to start over, start fresh, build a solid foundation, and I actually think that this is going to be the right decision. People were mad toxic in there for no reason. Like, oh my gosh. See, bro, I'd much rather have like 3 people like looking exactly what I'm looking at than this shit. Like, look at this. I got to a point to when like, bro, this just wasn't. Let's see though. It was a war zone in there. But it's cool. It is what it is. Let me see. They were. I don't know. It is what it is. We moved on from that. We're past that. All right, there's nothing to trade here. There's nothing to really. Okay, let me zoom out for a second, and then let's just see where we're at. Okay, so we just had this huge run. We retraced almost into equilibrium. Now we're holding this 1 hour fair value gap. I would like to see us respect this, but look at what we've been doing. We've been respecting bearish order flow. We've taken a high, and now we have displacement lower, and we are respecting this. We created a 1 hour imbalance. This is what I have marked out, and then we simply rejected that, and now we're heading lower, creating more bearish imbalances. So let's see what happens. We do have our reason where price could possibly bounce here because we're within this 15-minute imbalance. We're also within an hourly imbalance, but I don't really care about the hourly. I care about the 15-minute because it's more fine-tuned. We have retraced almost into equilibrium, so this is a possible place for us to bounce. We now have this 5-minute imbalance that we're currently in right now. So let's see what price does off this imbalance. Are we displacing the upside, or are we just like living this? We will have an SMT here. We're tapping that 5-minute imbalance, so there's not a clear buy side for me to target. So I don't really like anything. If I were to take anything, I'm like plotting on a reversal. Price action is not like clean here. This is just up, down, up, down, up, down. Market open. I'm just gonna let this play out. So I'm gonna wait. I don't think there's opportunity here. Yes, although we do have an SMT here, this could be a possible turtle soup. We don't have any structure to validate that we actually want to go higher. Remember, why does the market need to move where I think that we need to go? And we're constantly doing one of these things. We're constantly rebalancing the equilibrium, constantly hunting liquidity, and we're constantly rebalancing to an imbalance. Look at what we just did. We just rebalanced to this imbalance, the 15-minute and hourly imbalance. Now we have a reason to look to where we're going to hunt next. We have a high up here, so it's not really fair for me to say like, yeah, we're going to all of a sudden come up and take this high. I don't know. We have created an hourly bearish imbalance here too, so notice that we could bounce off of this, go lower. So I just really want to see price kind of validate something. But if I'm were to look at this on the 5 minute chart, like yeah, it could look clean, but a lot of times when we have a market maker buy model, when we have buy side of the curve, I've been noticing recently that like this buy side of the curve, like yeah, this does look clean actually, in my opinion. This does look like we could have buy side of the curve, but are we ready for it? Are we ready to take it yet? Are we ready to get there? Do we have any form of manipulation here at the lows? Was there like an SMT here? Ooh. We do? Wait. No, we don't. I was like, man, that would look good then. I mean, it's not clean. I'm not gonna mark it, but if this was an SMT here, if we had an SMT here, if there was an SMT at the lows, here, let me do the 5 minute. Yeah, no, there's not an SMT. But if there was an SMT here, that would give me confidence to enter here off the 5 minute. But since we don't have that, there's not like a deep reason for us to. So, hello? Okay. That'd be good risk too. Low risk buy. So I've been doing some studying, and like a low risk buy, like why we would call it a low risk buy is because if this entry were to be invalidated, then the model is probably going to get invalidated. Like if I'm taking a low risk entry, that means I'm risking less, and if this trade doesn't work out here, then the whole model is probably invalid. So something to note. Again, bunch of chop here. I think we could get a good trade today, honestly, y'all. I think there could be a good trade today. I don't know how I would do that based off of the live account. I'll probably pull up Tradeovate and just trade through Tradeovate, honestly. I'm gonna pull up Tradeovate real quick. I'm gonna pull up the live account. If there's something that's A+, I will take it on the live account. Because I'm at a point right now to where I feel a lot more confident. Like, I'm constantly getting better, and, like, I just... Like, at some point, I'm gonna have to go to live. So if I can slowly, like, inch my way forward by just taking A+ setups first, and then slowly... Hello? Bro, my calf, I remember waking up in the middle of the night and just having a horrible calf cramp. And I think I was like half asleep to where I didn't really notice it. Brother, it says my clock is off. Dude, that's so annoying. I think I'm in now. I just had to press it. Woo! MNQ. Hey, bro, I have the live account pulled up here. No, it doesn't say demo up here. It does not say demo up there. Price does look decent here too. I just don't. There's nothing yet. There's nothing yet. I have to see an expansion move, either upside or downside. I would get more opportunity taking a trade to the upside because looks like we're in a market maker buy model right now. But if we're to displace lower out of this imbalance, there's really not clear. What's your method? I trade ICT concepts. ICT, I'm in the cult. Bro, I used to be so against ICT concepts. I wasn't against them, but I was like, I don't want to trade this if other people are trading ICT concepts. That's used to be my mindset, but bro, that's not the right mentality to have, yo. Because you only think that because you see social media. But in reality, bro, like, a fraction of the world trades ICT concepts. And even if everyone did trade ICT concepts, like, bro, the market's still gonna move. And so many people trade different concepts. Like, it's insane. What do you think of order blocks? I think they're valid. Personally, I don't use them too much, but yeah, I do. If you know how to use them, definitely great. I don't use them too much, but I will say if it's like a clear order block, like say this wick, if this wick came down here into this order block, that would look very nice. How old are you, bro? I'm 18. I'm 18. I'm about to turn 19 though. My birthday's April 11th. Bro, that's it's coming. It's less than a month away. Less than a month away. It doesn't feel like that, y'all. But I would say I like to view myself a lot older than I am because I think I'm a little more mature than people my age, but also I'm immature as well. Why aren't you in school, bro? Because I'm taking a risk. I'm following my chasing my dreams and goals, and we'll see if it pays off. But I know that I would much rather be doing something in this world that I like to do, and I know that will have a positive impact on lives of others than to work some damn like corporate job that just by doing things that I want my parents to. But I would much rather make an impact in the world, affect people's lives positively, than to live a goddamn job that won't do something for me. Wish the best for you. Hey, you too, y'all. I wish the best for you guys as well. Like I hope you all like I hope everyone in here like is able to like impact the world in some positive way. And maybe not even impact the world in a positive way, but just like it sounds kind of corny, but like live the world better than or leave the world better than how you left it. We did kind of reach in that 15-minute order block within the 5-minute imbalance. We have SMT here at the lows as well. This doesn't look dumb clear. There's no clear buy side. Like, yeah, I can't target all the way up here, but brother, I don't need a 1,000-point move. That's not what I'm here for. So let's see what happens. This doesn't look too bad. What's good, Colin? What's good, Colin? You're a little bit late, brother. Are you in anything right now? Can you play some classical music? Play some. Bro, I'm listening to music right now, but I usually don't because I don't want to get copyrighted. But I don't really think that'll affect me. Last time I played classical music and that shit got copyrighted, but I don't care. I don't care to get copyrighted because like I don't make any money from YouTube. It's not for that. But like I don't know if I can get like banned from it. Play some for the live. I got y'all. Tell me what to play. Should I just look up classical music? I just won't get monetized? Okay, bad. I'm chill with that. Bro, I played this shit last time, but it was terrible. Brother, you're like a... Bro is in the orchestra. Harp it. Do relaxing jazz? Y'all gotta come to an agreement before I play anything. I do. I love jazz, bro. But like some jazz is like alright. Jazz and classical though are like always something that's like it just relaxes you. Notice we're breaking this 5-minute imbalance. I would not like us to head lower, but we could possibly come down here to what? Manipulate and then have another leg higher. So we'll do relaxing or non copyright jazz music. Up 150 on eval and 36 live after this down move. Nice, brother. Alright, let me know how this is. Actually, let me tune into it. I need to hear it. I feel like it has to be very quiet. Oh, this is nice, y'all. Can you sing for us? What do you want me to sing? Mary Had a Little Lamb? Bro, this is I like this. Is it too quiet? Let me know. I feel like last time I had it a little bit too loud. How should I adjust the volume? What do you think? Slice of fair value gap? I have no clue what that means. Slice of fair value gap? Do you think it'll slice through? I don't know. I have to see it happen. Like, I don't care to predict if it's gonna slice through or not. I want it to show me that what we're gonna do here, and it looks like we're respecting this off of this higher time frame PDRA. I'm not gonna take anything to this high just because I don't think there's any need. It just doesn't look stupid clear. We are within this 5-minute imbalance. We could come back up and take buy side, but personally, I think that we need a lot more candles to validate this. Like, I don't think we're going to come back up and just take buy side, and we also could be disrespecting this as well. So, very volatile right now. Look at the wicks. Let's see if we come down and take this low. I don't think we'll form an SMT, but we'll see. I think you should start trading your demo. What do you mean? My live account? You mean my live account? Yeah, I low-key think I could. I feel like I'm almost ready. But I'm in no need to rush it, y'all. Like, I've been trading with my strategy for like 2 months. I thought you don't trade on demo or live much. What do you mean? Yeah, I will say that I don't take like too many trades. Fly me to the moon. Did y'all mess with Frank Sinatra? I used to play when I used to work at Chipotle. I used to play like Frank Sinatra so much. We had a speaker in our store, which like we technically weren't supposed to have, but you gonna stop me from playing music? Play some? I probably won't. We'll keep this on until it gets like bad. Yo, what's good, Ryan? How you doing, brother? We're still holding this fair value gap. Look at the wicks on that. Look at the wiki tins. Look at the wicks, the wikis. We're looking weak. You're looking weak, brother. If we were weak, I mean, yeah, we do have this hourly imbalance that we are respecting, but it all depends on how we hold up here. If we hold this, which it doesn't look like we are, but if we hold this, I need to see a lot more candles to validate that we might want to run to this high. But again, we don't really have to. It looks like we just stopped out short traders here and then made that move lower. But I do want to see like a retracement into equilibrium of this range, of this price leg. Were you shorting or longing? It all depends on what the market says. Bro, where's Nicholas? Bro, Nicholas went from being like, I think he's probably just grinding. Like I understand. Like I'm not gonna lie, y'all. If no, I don't know. He's definitely just grinding, or he could be going through it. Looking to fall back into past structure and create more. Hopefully, we can make new highs again. That would be fun. Uh, I I wouldn't. I honestly want us to start displacing lower, because once we start displacing lower, you guys don't understand, or you, sorry, once we start displacing lower, the opportunity around here is going to be a lot better. That's why I'm not really in a rush to be on my demo account or on the live account. Bro has full port flu. I feel like he might, I don't know. He might have just like made a huge irrational mistake, lost a lot of money, and then just been like, damn, I really just made this mistake. Who knows? I doubt he would. I doubt he did, but you never know what someone's going through. Like someone could look so good on the outside, but in reality, like they're struggling. So it's not my place to say that someone is struggling, because like I think that's just messed up. I've been there before though. Yeah, 100%. And I feel like, again, like this is not me like calling him out or saying anything negative about him. But I'm just saying in general, like if I were to like mess up like real bad, I would not want to like still be around here. Like say I go and just like full port my account somehow and lose all my money. Hypothetically. Like I'm likely not going to have the motivation to even hop on stream the next day. But I will never make that happen because I know what it feels like. I know what that feels like to do that. So it's at a point to when I have these rules in place and I have the mindset in place to where I will never make that happen. Again, now we're respecting this 1 minute. There's still no trade for me to validate, but on the 5 minute, it doesn't look that clean. It doesn't look that clean. Who you calling out? I ain't calling out no one. You went 2 for 3. Nice, bro. Bro, how's y'all's brackets? How's y'all brackets? My brackets look a little shaky right now. I'm not gonna lie. Goddamn, Kentucky lost to a real estate agent. That's insane. Mine's like 89%. Is that cap? Yeah, Texas Tech sold. Dude, that dude that plays for Oakland is cold. Watch his highlights from that game. Bro, it's like I feel like just shooting, just scoring off of threes and free throws is kind of crazy. But like, I mean, I guess that's how you play. If Florida loses, I'm done for. I have Florida in my Final Four. But I had South Carolina winning over Oregon. I had McNeese upsetting Gonzaga. And I had Texas Tech beating North Carolina State. They didn't. And bro, Nevada sold me. Nevada sold me. They're literally up like 15 with like 7 minutes left, and then they choked. Choke of the century. I have Charleston beating Alabama today. I think Charleston's gonna upset Alabama. All right, time to lock in though. Now we have displacement. This shows me that price actually does want to go higher, but like I don't need to catch this first leg up to buy side. This is looking like we could have a good setup here, y'all. Looking like we could have a good setup here. I'm not gonna lie, I will take this on my live account if it's done clear. If it's done clear, I will take it on my live account. I'm gonna stop listening to Jazz. Let me know how it goes if it's still valid. But right now, it's good. It's good. Yeah, Eddie, what do you take, brother? My brother. Short off of yesterday low. Nice. 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 Now it's simply a waiting game, and bro, yo, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. I'm locked in today. I did like some guided meditation today. It told me to pick a word. I picked the word locked in. Ooh, whoa. Look at that nasty wiki, though, off the 15 minute. See, we're kind of in a range to when we can go either way. So, like, bro, I don't care. I don't really care to, like, try to catch this. Because this is just lower confirmation. I have less conviction taking a long here than taking a long up here. And like the thing about trading is it's a leverage based game, y'all. Like I can catch this move. And if I'm confident in this move, I can make 30 times more than I can if I take this move that I have less confidence in. But yeah, I did a guided meditation this morning. The word was locked in. Order block we're respecting. Said focus on a word. I focused on a word. Locked in. And respecting that order block. Order collab. We got about 59 seconds. We might close another 5-minute imbalance. This looks bullish. But here's where my mindset's at. Here's where my mind at. We're creating structure here. Like I don't know if we really want to go up and take this high. I have a possibility because I've seen a market maker buy model happen. I don't know that we're gonna come up and take this high until we show me that we want to go up and take the high. Again, we have this hourly imbalance here. We have now repriced into this 1 hour imbalance. So let's see what happens. Bro, fun day for me. I said, bro, what the brother? This PA is crap. I think yeah. Right here, we're just building structure. That's all we're doing. I've had in the past whenever I said like the PA is garbage, I was really just being ignorant of what was actually happening, and then we actually ended up having a good setup. Like I was watching one of my previous streams, and I remember I was like, price action is not it. I remember saying that. But in reality, like, we were setting us up for a move, and, like, we ended up having clean price action. I was just being ignorant of what was happening at the time. We have this 1 minute imbalance. Again, I'm not taking anything here to take this high because it's just not crystal clear. You full ported a funded... Bro, brother. Fine, not PA, LOL, but volume is crap. See how I trade? I don't. I've started to not like really care about volume or anything because, especially watching Father ICT. What was I finna look at? Oh, Apex. Don't worry, y'all. I'm still locked in, so. Do y'all remember Mike? Mike was like, "Yo, bro, I'm gonna get you a funded account, Apex account." Let me look at this. Wait, what do you get? That was $40. Is this the right thing? Or did they get rid of the deal or something? I thought they were the cheapest. Am I tripping? I'm looking for a pump to the 7:15 a.m. 50-minute for value gap. Look up for sales aligned with OTE fib. Oh, so if you have a code, it's I want to see us break this 15-minute balance to tell me that we actually want to run a buy side this high. Bro, Eddie is in the full port festivities. I feel like I thought that if you full ported, they would like snatch your account or something. Like they have rules in place. We broke in this 15-minute balance. I really want to see us disrespect this though, because this one's in equilibrium within this price leg. So this one's more valid for us to respect than this one. Because why? Why do you think that is? Why do you think that is? Because this one's in equilibrium within this range. This one can hold, but if this one gets broken with the model that I'm seeing, I'll expect us to run in this high. It's only an eval. Bro's trying to get rich quick, but I got a get rich quick scheme in his hands. I'm playing. Hey, so like if I have a code, it's like $40. Bro, Apex has some nice ass updates. Last time I saw Apex, it looked awful. Like I'm so glad they changed their site. It looks a lot more professional. It looks so much better. What code do you use? I think April, once it's past my birthday, I'm gonna do Top Step, honestly. You use Trades by Matt? Why don't you use Set Trades? Why don't you use Set Trades? Okay, this looks pretty bullish. Looks pretty bullish. Alright. We're trying to break through this 15-minute imbalance. Once we break through this, I can tell you that the draw on liquidity is going to be this high. I just don't have enough structure to validate. Like, this would have been an early entry, which I guess you could say that I could have entered here. But, brother, I really am not looking to trade here trying to catch this 1,000-point move. Like, I don't need 53 points. Or I don't need 98. Open P&L is 50 points. Okay. Save 80. Okay. Save 80. If she ain't 280, she ain't a lady. Sorry, that was. Alright. I'm sorry, everyone. Bro, Discord's already up to. We have like 47 people in here. 47 people in the new Discord. Not gonna lie, I'm loving the vibes a lot better in this Discord. Looking for a second stage. Seek and destroy. Yeah, we're also in Alright. That's just a peek of my Discord, y'all. Well, basically, I will take this on the live account. This list does start to look clear, but I want to see us break through this 15-minute imbalance. And I want to see like a run on stops, a turtle soup set up to target this high. Like there's not a trade I can really take here right now. Like nothing looks dumb clear in my opinion. Right now, all we're doing is just respecting this 15-minute bearish imbalance. So I have more conviction taking along up here than I do down here. Or down here. I need to see a lot more structure to validate. This displacement move up can kind of tell me that we probably want to head to this high. We now have generated buy side liquidity here. We have now rebalanced to this 1 hour for value gap. And dude, just look at this whole run. This just tells me that we want to be bullish. We could complete this model. We could not. We could just sell off lower. If that's the case, we would probably respect this 15-minute imbalance right now. Let's see what we do, brothers. Let's see what we do, brothers. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, I've been able to. My trading has improved so much within the past like 2 months because I've been documenting, I've been showing up, and I've been grinding. There's a SMT at lows while I am. I think I'm gonna take this 11-minute fair value gap if we retrace. 11-minute fair value gap, or do you mean 10-minute? 1 minute. I was about to say 11. You're looking at the 11-minute chart. I was like, what? I didn't even know that was a thing. I would say I don't look at the SMT with YM just because I don't know. S&P or S&P and NQ kind of correlate more. I think the Dow and YM is kind of just within its own league. But I've never really tried. I've never really looked at SMTs with YM that much. But just my mentors told me that it's just not the greatest. And I probably won't. Hey, we are respecting this 15-minute imbalance, so I really want to see us break above this. Like I've been saying, I would have more conviction taking along up here than I would all the way down here. If that means I don't get an entry just because I'm being patient, then that's okay. Like, I know what I'm looking for, and that's good. If you know what you're looking for, bro, you're setting yourself up for success. The days that you don't know what you're looking for, so everything's a little bit gray, that's when you'll probably make mistakes, irrational decisions, and you likely won't take good trades. I'm not taking this just because we are respecting this 15-minute imbalance here. Like, this could be the soup. It's also within that imbalance. Anytime we like kind of come back to an imbalance, we come back to it, take internal liquidity. A lot of people are putting their stops here when they're long, so we'll see what happens. I think that we will take this, but I just don't have the structure to validate that we actually want to do this. It doesn't look crystal clear, so I'm not going to force it. But yeah, I want to see us take this low. That would be the soup, but I just don't have confidence in this. It just doesn't look crystal clear, so not going to force. You know, no means no. How do you do a reassess? That is not how you spell reassess. The traders then. Bro, get Loki, get this weak ass shit out of here, bro. Reset. I spelled like recess. Anicho, if you're watching this, brother, I'm sorry, but like I feel like that's just leeching, my brother. Did you see what that man said? Rewind if you didn't see. He was like, join this server if you don't want to be in the ICT Colts. Like, brother, you're trying to leech off of my server. That's just so disrespectful, in my opinion. Like, I've worked to build my server, and you think that you're just gonna get people to follow you and join your server? Like, I do not understand why people try to get shoutouts. Why people try to get shoutouts from other people. That's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. That's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. His name was Aniche or whatever. I don't know. It's cool. It is what it is. But I'm just saying, like, brother, like, shoutouts and like self promotions are the stupidest shit I've ever heard. You think someone's all of a sudden just gonna follow you and actually mess with you because of someone else? Nah, bro, you gotta earn that shit. You gotta earn it. I've earned you. I've earned you to watch me. Ooh. This is looking pretty bearish. But we are within this buy model. Once we break below this 15-minute, if we break below this 15-minute imbalance, then I could tell the draw's likely going to be lower, or maybe the hourly imbalance here in equilibrium. But I would like to see us kind of displace higher again. Again, now we have a high. Now we have highs to target, so that's good. Now we have a high put in place, which is good, which is good, which is good. Woo! Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Woo! In that 1 minute balance. 1 day fair value gap if you haven't realized. Yeah, we also have a volume imbalance. That was looking my bad. I didn't even look at the daily yet. Or I was looking at it last night, but I didn't look at it this morning. But we were right within that volume imbalance, so another confluence. Can we be friends on Discord? 100%, bro. If you're in my new Discord, are you in a position? Not yet. If you go on my Instagram, the Discord's in here, but only trade if you trade ICT, which it seems like you do. You're ICT's disciple. ICT disciple. I feel like that's a meat writing. But trying to be here before you blow up, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. That was the soup, but I don't have conviction to take that. Are you gonna? Oh, I already read that. This could be the first buy here. I'm not taking it because, but that's whatever. But yeah, I'm kind of dick riding him. Hey, it is what it is. I don't know. I feel like it kind of is, but you do you. You do you. Like, I'm not here to try to influence you. Like, you're your own person. I just think I like claim like saying that you're someone's disciple is kind of insane though. You trade IC? Yeah, I do. Like I would only say that I'm Jesus' disciple. But hey, I'm not you, which is confirmation's crazy. Where are you from, bro? I'm from Colorado. Confirmation is crazy? What do you mean? I don't get what that means. You Christian? I would. It's I'm at a point to when like I'm trying to discover. Like I've grown up going to church, but I've just for some reason I'm just kind of like. I feel like I go to church every Sunday and I will continue to. But I don't know. There's something that's kind of like holding me back from like converting everything. But I will say I probably will at some point. Post more about. But like I'm 18, bro. I'm just trying to discover. You're drunk AF right now, brother. It is 10:20. It's 10:20 a.m. Eastern time. This looks like we're gonna run this high. I'm not gonna take this. Born in Egypt, raised in Colorado. I wish I was born. I'm actually Greek. I'm Greek. I'm like a quarter Greek. My grandma, I call her Yaya. She's from. Bro, am I leaking too much about my life? I feel like I say too much about my personal life. I gotta stop, bro. Do you need me to like come over there and smack you in the face, or do you need like something tragic to happen in your life for you to actually stop? Think about it. If you know that you have to stop, but you're not, do you need like some tragic life, something tragic to happen in life in order for you to stop? Think about it. Do you need like a big tragedy to happen in your life in order for you to realize that you should be stopping? Brother, you're 16 and you're drinking? I would not condone. Oh, European culture? Yeah, where are you from? Where are you from? To me, it's all choppy right now. If I were to zoom down, bro, this would be like a very smaller time frame breaker. This would be a smaller time frame breaker. Denmark? That's crazy. I swear, there's a lot more people. There's a lot more people on my I feel like hella people from around the world like are trade, if that makes sense. Like there's so many people like at least from my Discord from like other places. You good, bro? Every leader makes play. Alright, I was just telling something. Close. They aren't joking when they say that they start drinking at 14. It's pretty normal. That's insane. Do you have an addiction with it, or are you on occasions for fun? Bro, I've just never messed with that. Like, I've never messed with drinking. I've always looked at it, I'm like, bro, really, what do you get out of it? I mean, I will say the times I have it's been fun. But like I'm at a point in my life to where like I have to deserve that to like truly get something out of it. Notice consequent encouragement of the week. Three out of 4 now? Bro, Eddie, you should have done that on the eval. But I'm not gonna lie, you sound cool. Yeah, Eddie's cool. Notice how we held that. Nothing's clear in my eyes. You took a flag play? Did y'all ever used to play? Did y'all ever used to play flag football? Bro, I was a demon. I was a demon. You're in again? Yeah, bro, I would step away. You gotta know when enough is enough. Like, bro, take your time off. Enjoy your weekend. You deserve it. I put you on an island, dog. Bro, it's crazy how like you sound like Patrick Beverly. You're like Patrick Beverly. just pretty much all talk. But yeah, I'm Christian. It's just hard to deal with lust and drinking. I would say, I don't know. Oh, wait, I was gonna, what, yeah, what's Head and Shoulders? Because we're forming a Head and Shoulders pattern right now. Yeah, give me a long here. We got a Head and Shoulders. Retail's going short. Give me a long here. Yeah, I was about to say that. You deal, yeah, bro was dealing with like some grown ass problems at 16. I would say, bro, you have a lot more time than you think you do if you're 16. Like you're 16. Lust is by far the hardest thing to break away from as a Christian. You're not the only one. It's literally the strongest human desire. Yeah. I just don't like how we have this such retail Head and Shoulders. Give me that SMT, my brothers. Give me that SMT. Suit me. I just gambled my account. Well, today's Full Port Friday, so you should have. Give me that SMT. Give me that SMT. Give me that SMT. Brother, are you actually serious? I like I already know like Colin's never serious. Down 100 this week. That's good. That I mean, is that 10% of your account? Brother, what? Actually, that's crazy. No, that's an equal low. Again, like I'll get the setup when I get the setup. There's no reason to force it. If it's not there, it's not there. I wanted to see an SMT there. We still can get one. Down to 900. I see. Was it really just because of Tuesday? Yeah, bro, I was like debating on what I should have my name as for like a minute. Like, what was my name gonna be when I'm creating my account? Because I feel like that's also another hurdle that like content creators have, or at least I had when I started. I was like, what should my name be? What should my account name be? Bro, I can be your mod, just trying to make sure that you don't forget me. Brother, you will be, in order to be my mod, you would have to show me proof of you stopping drinking and stuff like that. ICT's disciple is hard to forget. Yeah. I'm like, that's that meat rider. Again, like I was like, what should I make my name as? I was like sitting there like, what should I make my name as? And then like one of my best friends, like my last name is Sutterfield, and he always calls me Sut. So I'm like, what if I did Sut Trades? How long are you trading? How long have I been trading? I've been trading for around a year, but I've been kind of honed into my strategy for around like a month and a half, 2 months. I've seen immense growth. So I can stop smoke also? Bro, is everyone a degenerate? That's crazy. Not to judge. Not to judge. Sorry. Do you have any positions open right now? I did not. I'm looking to. I'm looking to go long. But we are generating liquidity here. I want to see an SMT at the lows. I want to see us come down, take this low on ES here, form an SMT, and then we might be ready. If we zoom out and if we look, we are in an already existing market maker buy model. If you don't know what that is, then just look up what a market maker buy model is. Pretty much coming back into a 15-minute bounce. This does look nice still. We have this 15-minute bearish imbalance that I want to see us start to disrespect disrespect to the upside. Once we get a push up here, I know that we are heading to this high. But we'll see. It has to be clear. It's like normal to start drinking at 14. Brother, when I was 14, what was I doing? I was just playing sports. Honestly. Trading on fentanyl. Yeah. You got drunk at 12? The first time I drank was my homecoming, senior year. I was 17, and I don't necessarily regret it, but like drinking just really ain't my type of thing. Feeling kind of bearish today, just waiting for a price to sweep those equal highs. Alright. This ain't a competition, my brother. How's the jazz going? I'm no longer listening to it. There we go. Brother, what did I just see? I swear I just saw the chat for a second. Did you get anything from gold fluctuation in the past days? No clue what that means. Can you accept my friend request? Maybe. I'll ponder. The meme. $15-minute SMT invalidates the market maker buy model. What's she talking about? What is Brody talking about? we have an SMT here? Yeah, he might be right, but I don't know. I don't really look at this to be an SMT. It's not really significant. What do your friends think about what you're doing with this trading stuff? Most of my friends, like I never really like tell my friends. Unless they ask, but I don't know. I don't have like, I have like close friends, but like I don't have like close friends. You know. I have friends to where like I could like talk to them about stuff, but I don't know. I'm just like that's just kind of how I've been. Like even like going throughout high school, I've never been in like a good like a friend group. I've never you know people have like friend groups and stuff. I've never had like a friend group. You don't need to say anything to anyone is a waste of energy, bro. Yeah, and honestly, like, just don't care like what other people think about you. That's key. Like, I do not care what you think about me. You may think that I'm like a piece of shit. How is that gonna affect me? It's not, because your opinion should not reflect me, or should not influence me because I know who I am. Again, we are generating buy side liquidity here within the already existing model. So if we have an SMT, this does look good. Do they know about the YouTube? Yeah, they do. The thing is, when I started posting on Instagram, I made a completely separate account, and I wasn't trying to have anyone find it. I was not trying to have anyone see it. No one. And then all of a sudden, like, a bunch of my friends just like see it because like I think Instagram recommended it or something. I want to see displacement now. So like all my friends just immediately saw my Instagram, and I got like a little bit embarrassed at first because like my shit was like generally ass. But now I don't care. Now I'm cool with it. And like say my mom found it, and then like one of my mom's friends found my YouTube. I'm like, how? I'm like, how? But it just like if you're in that same situation, bro, just do what you want to do. Do what you know that you should be doing, and just like, what are they gonna do? They're gonna think of me negatively. They're gonna think of me in a different way. Like, that's cool. I'm cool with that. This is on the demo. Taking this trade on the demo. This is the soup. Going to look to take off at this high. Low resistance liquidity. Stop here. This is good risk. This just is an A+ because I don't trade Turtle Soup too much in order for me to take this on the live account. This is on the demo. Again, we have a reason to bounce. We're back within that 5-minute imbalance. We're back within that 15-minute balance. SMT lows, low resistance liquidity. We're within this already existing 1-minute imbalance. We'll see how this goes. Either this gets stopped or it's my take profit. This is on the demo account. This is not on the live account. This is me just testing price. Testing my conviction with Turtle Soup. If I get stopped out, okay. So what? I've struggled with caring about what family's friends think about my trading. It has only held me back. Care about what they think, then you gotta let it go. Yeah, it just. Just got stopped. We still have the SMT. The fact is that most people are not thinking about what you're doing like you think they are. Yeah, bro. People do not care what you do. People do not care anything what you do. No one cares about what you do. Like realistically, y'all don't give a shit about what I do. Y'all don't. So why would I let your thoughts influence my actions? Y'all don't even know me. You guys probably like kind of know me now, but y'all don't really even know me. I would say y'all know me more than like other creators because like I'm transparent with everything. I don't try to like lie. I don't try to deceive anything. I don't. I would like to see us run this fair value gap now. You sound cool. Are you talking to Colin? If we run this bearish imbalance, I'm hopping back in. Not you and Colin. I want to see us run this. The reason why this isn't like very high quality, which is why I took a little stab on my demo. Again, nothing to lose. I'm not losing conviction over that. Is just the fact that I want to see us break above this 15-minute imbalance. We're still respecting that. I want to see us run this. We'll see how this candle closes. I really want to be friends with you on Discord because I'm trying to network in the trading space. You send me a friend request. What's your Discord name? Is Bitcoin going back to 30K or what? Bitcoin's going back to pennies. No, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I don't trade Bitcoin, so I cannot tell you. But in my opinion, we're probably just gonna get. I couldn't really tell you, but I think that we might get a retracement into equilibrium within this imbalance. This looks like the draw on liquidity now. We took a high. Now we have displacement lower on the daily. It looks like. No, we don't really have displacement. I don't know. I would like to see the draw be this daily fair value gap now. We already respected it. I could not tell you. Gamer Michael. I want to see us run this. Still respecting it. We have a breaker here. I'd like to see a breaker in balance form. We're just not ready. We're just not ready. What's the reason for looking at colorless charts, bro? I like black and white better. One, because like if I'm on the charts longer, it's just a lot easier on my eyes. And I don't know, red and green just like it's just a psychological difference in my opinion. To where if I see red and green, I'm likely to get more emotional than if I see black and white. That's just my personal opinion. And I've liked it so much since I changed it. But that's kind of why I do it. Hey, you can't diss it unless you've tried it. Yeah, I just don't think we're ready yet. I'm gonna take this off. Still respecting that 15-minute. Did I get moved? Yes is now going lower. So now we have a SMT here. I want to see us run this 1 minute. He's colorblind. Facts. Still want to see us run this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and retry this. This is just gonna be a lower risk. Again, low risk buy means if I buy here, that means that, and I get stopped, that means this whole model will be invalidated. All right, now let's see what happens. Trying this one more time. Yo, what's good, Jaber? Gaber? Gamer? Did you short the... Yeah. Brother, you always ask me if I shorted, like, the move that we had. No, I'm in a long right now. This is on the demo account. This is try to build my conviction here. Yeah, we're coming back in this inverse. I want to see us run this. We have SMT at lows. We have generated buy side here, but we are respecting this 15-minute imbalance, so we'll see what happens. Again, my stop's here, so if the stop's hit, then we just don't want to go yet. Hello? This is kind of choppy though, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Trade got invalidated. We just don't want to run to the highs now. We're respecting this 15-minute imbalance. We have this huge imbalance. Consequent encroachment of this I have marked out. Is Eddie and Colin some of your personal? No. Well, I would say now, yeah, now kind of, but I didn't know them before this. But I would say they're my friends now, but I didn't know who they were before I started. But I feel like we're long overdue right now. Haven't had my banana yet. Why can I be your mod? Because this is your first time ever being in my chat. No offense, but it sounds like you have better problems to be worrying about than being a mod in my chat. No offense. We will come back and revisit this at some point. What do you eat, bro? I meal prep. Usually I have French toast in the mornings and then like pasta or like chicken and rice for dinner. But trust me, I'm gonna be your mod someday. Hey, not hopefully. You're Muslim, so you're fasting. Yeah, it's Ramadan, right? I'm gonna zoom out for now until we get displacement. Or if we do. How did you know? Yeah, you just isn't it just where you only eat at the end of the day? Bro. See what the hell is going on. He said the truth is getting deleted. Bro, bro thinks that he's like solving world peace or something. Bro, Ado, this man added way too many channels, in my opinion. The more channels you have, it's kind of the worse it'll be, in my opinion. This is a new Discord. Have a lot less channels. This shit's great. Who's adding? Yeah, bro is talking like yeah, he is talking like he's talking about the Bible or something. Hey, we just continue to sell right now. Plug. bro said deleting the truth. Like he's trying to spread the gospel or something. Have you lost your virginity? Just trying to know, brother. Brother. All right. S&T here at the lows. Low resistance liquidity. Clear buy side up here. waiting for displacement. We now have a breaker. We have a high low. Rejecting the breaker. Who asked that out of pocket? That's such a out of pocket question. I mean, I feel like if you go up to anyone and just be like, "Have you lost your virginity?" Like that's insane. You at least have to have like some framework around the reasoning to ask that question. Like going up to say someone and asking if they lost their virginity is insane. Yeah, if we yeah, we I might take this on the live. Dang, we are just running. Yeah, there's I wasn't really offered an entry. Clear sell on ES. This looks like we're gonna buy here, in my opinion. This candle shows me that we like buyer like we have the SMT at the lows. There's no reason for us to go lower. Yeah, we do have this 15-minute imbalance. But once we break above this, I know we're going to buy side. Yeah, 15-minute on ES. The sell already happened. We already took internal liquidity. I don't think there's any reason for us to go lower now, except to maybe rebalance into a hard into equilibrium within this. But we have a reason to bounce because we're in this 1 hour imbalance. We now have low resistance liquidity. What does that mean? Low resistance liquidity. Notice like this is all just very low resistance. This is gonna get ran. And notice how we have that big displacement up. We don't just have like a little poke up. We now have that big displacement up. So I'm waiting for an entry. We do have internal buy side within here. We'll see if there's an entry. I'm only gonna take if it's clear though. I'm not gonna take this fair value gap because that's I've seen this happen before and I'm not going to take this fair value gap. I can possibly take a next entry to target this high, or I might get offered an entry up here to take this external high. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, this looks like clear buy side of the curve in my opinion right now. So I'm going to take what I'm confident in. and what I have confidence in. And if it doesn't end up being correct, then I can go and reassess where I went wrong. What can I do better? How can I improve for this? But I probably will take this on the live account. Honestly, buying ES below moving average is crazy. Hey, I don't look at that, so might seem crazy for you, but you want to buy low, sell high, right? We're likely to form this 5-minute imbalance. Wait, what's your what do you say it was? Hey, Gamer Michael? Brother, you literally have Jesus as your profile picture. Let's see what happens here, my brothers. You're trying to do better, but are you? Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Now let's see what happened. Let's see what happened here, boy. In Denmark, no one has faith in Jesus. Why I see your profile picture then? Do y'all speak English over there? Bro, your discipline is crazy. You show up every day at the same time. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I will every day. I mean, oh, the jazz stops. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I appreciate it. But like, yeah, I'll always show up. I will say though, recently, if I take a trade, and if I take a trade on the live account, then I'll probably hop off because also March Madness is today, and I'm trying to watch. Baylor plays basketball. I love Baylor, so they play at 10:40 my time. They play in like an hour and 40. So I might hop off then, but we'll see. We'll see. I have no doubt that you're gonna be successful 100%. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Cause like I mean I don't care because I know that if I show up, if I do the process, if I repeat that process no matter what, then I'll likely become successful rather than the person that wants the results and they want to become someone and they're constantly monitoring the results. And sometimes I do fall into that to where like I do check my subscriber count like times throughout the day, but really I'm just trying to get like a dopamine hit, you know. Now we speak Danish, but the second language is English. I see, I see. But yeah, sounds nice. I think I'm gonna grind your live stream. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I really want to become friends with you. Yeah, slowly over time. Nothing yet for me. I want to see. Oh my gosh, I just missed. That could have been impossible. You have an SMT here. ES comes into this fair value gap. NQ doesn't. Now we're likely to run. See that this was like a interesting model. It's more advanced. Are you Christian? Me, I go to church. Yeah, I would say I'm Christian. Yeah, I'm Christian. Colin, I just that went through all my headphones just now. That's funny. That like we're yeah, I guess the entry was offered better on ES. I want to see some form of turtle soup, honestly. I want to see a stop raid. What do you want to do if trading doesn't work out? Bro, I know it'll work out. And like I put myself in a position to where like I do have social media. Like I'm now on social media. I'm now on YouTube. I've gained 1,000 subscribers, bro. That gives me all the proof to tell me that it is possible and that I will make it happen. I really want to see a stop raid. We're gonna be successful together. I honestly don't like it when people say that. I honestly don't like it when people say that. I've gotten so many DMs. I won't say so many, but people have DM'd me and been like, "Yo, brother, we're gonna become successful together." And like the reality is like I just feel like it's corny. But it's like, yeah, I do want you to be successful. But I can't validate that we're gonna be successful together because I want to be on levels that you won't get to. I want to get to levels that you probably don't want to get to. I'm going to get to levels that you're probably not willing to sacrifice for. So my level of success is not going to be your level of success. Like it's not the same shit. So when you say that we're going to be successful together, what does that mean, bro? For me, being successful means having 1 million subscribers. For you, that's not what it means. So if you say that we're going to be successful together, we're both not going to have 1 million subscribers. We both are not. So if you say that we're both going to be successful, we're both going to make it together, bro, my version of making it is probably a lot different than your version of making it. And who knows, we both can make it in our own regards, but I just don't like it when people say that. Now my goal is to being a billionaire, bro. You need to get the fuck off your ass then if you think you're gonna be a billionaire. Sorry, I don't cuss very often, but you need to get off your ass if you think that you're going to be a billionaire. A billionaire, that is so disrespectful if you're sitting there drinking at 16, and you think you're gonna be a goddamn billionaire, bro. You gotta be real with yourself. Do you know what even a billionaire is? The difference between a billion and a million is overlooked. Like honestly, I don't think. Obviously, it is possible to become a billionaire, but I don't think I'll ever attain that level because I don't really need to get to that level. Hell yeah, I'm gonna be a millionaire. Hell yeah, I envision myself being a millionaire. But a billionaire is crazy. A billion dollars is. I'm looking for the soup, Powerpuff. My goal is to inspire people. Then do it. What is stopping you from achieving your goals? What is stopping you? I don't think Bios on ES is to play right now. I think I do. We have big displacement up. We're within a market maker buy model, a bigger time frame market maker buy model, and we're already creating a market maker buy model within the already existing buy model. We're within this hourly imbalance. We have a reason to bounce. We have an SMT at the lows, so we have manipulation at the lows. We have a reason to go higher. I want to see a stop right here. And you really inspire me right now. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Glad I'm able to inspire. I want us to soup this low. I want us to soup this low. I've been trading for a year too, but you make me realize that I really got to get my stuff together. Yeah. Hmm. I mean, you can say that you have to get it together, but that doesn't mean anything if you don't actually get it together. I still want us to soup these lows. If we have an SMT at the lows, I'm smacking longs. If we have an SMT at these lows, I'm placing a long order on the live account. Yeah, there's 5 minute imbalance. Yeah, I'd rather take this on NQ. Because NQ has the further displacement higher. I just don't like how we created these equal lows. Like, yeah, we don't have to come back here, but... I don't know, something seems up here. This makes it so no touch. I'm new to bull runs, but I think if we... Bro, we have been in a bull market. We have been in a bull market for a minute. I thought we've been in a bull market since the S&P was at 4,200. Yeah, we have been in a bull market for a minute. Since December. I think that's how I undo. Control Z on TradingView. I think that's how you do undo, right? Yeah, I'd rather take this on NQ, honestly. Let's see if I get the entry that I want, though. Let's see what happens, y'all. Man, this would have looked nice if we souped this low. We never took it. We made equal lows. No entry was really offered here. Like, a good entry wasn't really offered. We're about to be into lunch hour as well. Do you have a part-time job? No, I do not. This is what I do. But the reason why I'm able to do this is because I worked my ass off and I have money saved. So don't get that twisted. Don't think that I'm in my situation just because. But what do you do? This is what I do. I trade. And I do YouTube. I do Instagram. That's what I do every single day. Oh, I graduated high school. I'm not going to college. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get the entry I'm looking for here, but that's okay. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I want to see, and if it doesn't happen, then I'm not gonna take it. If it does happen, then I will take it. I will capitalize on it, or I could lose it, and then I will learn from it. But we're now taking some form of internal liquidity here. I I would expect us to just run on this high, but I don't know. This PA just wasn't what I was necessarily looking for. We had that big displacement move higher here that caused this market structure shift. And then I would have liked to see at least us return to this 5-minute imbalance. But we never really offered an entry here, in my opinion. Not gonna lie, just off these 30 minutes, I realized that I gotta become a better person. Hey, thanks, bro. I did a body fat like at my gym today. I did like the body fat thing, and I'm 15% body fat. I'm trying to get to 10%. I don't necessarily want to get to like 7%. I would like to have. I don't know. I just want to have abs. I don't know what I was when like I really started, but all I can tell y'all is that I was probably like I couldn't really tell you. What percent body fat do y'all think I had here? Yeah, at least had to be. If I'm 15% now, this is probably like at least 25 or 24%, 25%. Process. When did I buzz my hair? It's been a minute now. 21? It's been 3 weeks? It's been 3 weeks since I buzzed my hair. I'm not gonna lie. Here, I filmed these on 2 separate days. These are 2 separate days, but I wore the same shirt. I do wear that polo a lot. I would love us to leave liquidity up here. I would love for us to not take that high, then come back down, and then take this low here. 25% is obese. Let's see. Yeah, maybe not 25. Nah, 20. I was probably. I would say like. Nah, I would say like 22%. Or I don't know. But right now I'm 15. Bro, holy. I just have like 10 to 12%. That's like I don't hell no, I ain't trying to get 3 to 4%. 7% maybe. It all depends. Yeah, slow grind up. I I wasn't really provided with the entry here. And then who wants smoke? We got plenty of guns. Mm-hmm. Hold up, brothers. Hey, that Nietzsche is responding to me right now in the other Discord. Or side where the rays going to. I took the inverse fair value gap below. Where do you take it? This inverse? No, that wouldn't be this. What time frame did you take it? I never got the entry I was really looking for. I would assume that we take buy side, but I would like us to leave liquidity up here, honestly, and then come lower. That I would make this A plus. 1 minute at the bottom, close to your market structure show. This one. Yeah, that'll be good. Low key, bro. I think that I should have just taken this. It's all hindsight, though. I was waiting for the better entry. That's okay. Normally, I would expect to be offered an entry within here, but maybe I was just a little bit too picky within this model, but we're still within it. And notice that we are within a higher time frame market maker buy model as well. So like we have a smaller time frame buy model in an already existing buy model in the higher time frame. I would love to see us take this low here, take these equal lows, but obviously probably won't do that. I would love to see us take this low. I will take this on the live. Bro, why don't you add me? Tell me what I gotta do better. I don't know. Bro, this is like this was a good this is a good model though. But like the only entry I really see here is this inverse fair value gap. I guess as soon as this gets blown, I should have hopped in like I said, but I want to see us return to this breaker to get a better entry. But it's cool. I'm fine being picky. Best entries are the close to equal low or swing. Yeah. Yeah, once I see this SMT, I know we're likely to bounce. Once I see all this buy side generated, I should have enough confidence to take this. But I'm trying to get like the best entry here, which is cool. But we're still within this. Don't count this out. Yeah, the market does really want to trade this high right now. Come on, tap me in soup. We know we want to soup this, so let's do it. Let's do it, IQ. My little queen. It's about to be lunch hour, but I'll still take this trade just because it looks clean. I don't really care too much about lunch hour, just because like if it looks clean, then I don't think I should be very worried about lunch hour. Like if the setup's there, the setup's there. Like yeah, you should be worried about trying not to trade during lunch hour. But like if the model's still clear, I feel like it'll still play out. The fair value gap, the plus fair value gap is the one. Bro, beaming that 1 minute. Yeah, you're right. This looks good though. It's also the 5 minute fair value gap. I do like this. We'd probably have an would we? I don't know. I can't really tell. Let's do it. Let's do it, market. This is like a 34-point move. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Now is a good entry. We are within this 1 hour, but I'm being picky. I'm being picky. I'm being very picky right now. That's cool. That's cool. I'm fine being picky. Are you streaming every day at 8:30? Yeah, I stream every trading session. I stream every trading session at market open. Oh, I'm live every day. Why don't you trade forex? Just because there's no need. ICT. I don't know why I just said it. Future. NQ and ES. I found have been just so much better, and I've never tried forex, but I don't see there's a reason to. One, it's I don't know. It's just not for me, honestly. And that's okay. But I've never tried it, so I can't dog on it. But I don't think I do need to try it because I just like everything about futures a lot better. Okay, I'll be there every time. Nice, bro. I'll plan to see you here. I'm literally live every day, every trading session. I'll be live. Sometimes I go longer than the others. Like recently, I've been getting off a little bit earlier. If I take this trade though, I'll likely get off. Enjoy my weekend, but who knows? I had the fattest cramp in the middle of the night in my calf, and I was like half asleep, so I don't remember if it like really happened. But I feel like I woke up and like I just cramped. You mess with the LGBTQ community? Nah. Do you have holiday? What do you mean? A holiday today? Is today a holiday? I think when's the next bank holiday? I feel like it's not in a minute. We have Eater. You mean Easter holiday? Low quarter of the discount premium is good when the market's in a hurry. Low quarter of the discount of the premium. Oh my gosh, I thought I was doing it the right way, but yeah, also an OTE. I just really want these equal lows to get taken. I really want this to be the soup. Like, yeah, a long doesn't look bad here. We're holding up OTE within this 1 minute imbalance. We now have clear buy side above us, but I really want to see us come back into these equal lows here and soup these. I think that's likely what will give me the best trade. So like, although yeah, we can run to buy side here. If it doesn't happen, I'll journal the model and I'll annotate the model. You religious, bro? Yeah, I'm Christian. Easter's not this. Easter's next Sunday. Why do you have Easter holiday this week? I'm gonna take this on the live account. Since when you start studying ICT, like seriously, I would say like 2 months ago, honestly. I could probably give you more accurate timestamps in a minute, but right now I'm trying to be locked in on this trade. But I know, like, I would say like 2 months ago, there was like a stream when I was like trying to trade VWAP, and there was like I was trying to, I don't know, and then I finally just stuck with ICT and haven't looked back. Bro, what? What the? Probably. Hey, I'm a short position on GU. Do you think it's a valid trade? Let me pull it up on. Wait. It's hold up. Sorry, I'll check it in a minute. We do have this breaker here, a high, low, higher, high, fair value gap. But I just really want to see these equal lows get targeted. I really want to see these equal lows get taken. GPB or GBP USD. No, that's not right. Why can't I see it? Again, this wouldn't be a bad entry, but I'm very picky. I want to see these equal lows get souped. Oh wait, GBP USD. There we go. No, I didn't want to do that on. Alright, let me look. Down here, no, I don't like it. Just because we just took this low. We just took this low, so we took some form of prominent low. So me taking a short here, just is lower probability. I don't like it. Yeah, we just took this prominent low, so taking something down here is just going to be lower probability than taking something up here if you're shorting. But it definitely is bearish. It could be a market structure shift, but I don't really like it, in my opinion. But hey, if you have confidence in it, bro, like you can, if someone says like my trade's ass or my trade sucks, bro, I don't care, because if I have confidence in taking my trade, then that's all that matters. It depends though. It depends though. You can have confidence in, like, that can be delusional. But like if you have a strategy that works, and if you have confidence with taking it, and over a series of time that strategy will work, I think that's the best thing. Yeah, we just had that breaker imbalance. Oh my gosh. Your trade's fire? Thank you, bro. I'm just really not. I want us to take these equal lows. We don't have any stop rate here. We will have possibly another entry though on like we'll still probably have an entry, and maybe an entry later today, targeting these equal highs or these highs. Watch me Discord DMs. What do you mean? Bro said check your personal. Bro, what? You should check the 15 seconds. I don't have data for the 15-second. I think on like yeah, 15-second could be beneficial for me to get the best entries, but bro, there there's no reason for me to be on the 15-second chart one since I'm not profitable. So what Eddie say? What did Eddie say? I don't see Eddie. Is my chat bugging? Oh. I look at what Eddie says. I do want to see us soup these lows. Oh, bro, you're in live trading on Discord, Michael. Should I join it? I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Ah, whatever. I'll join it.
Yo, Caleb.
Yo, what's good, disciple?
Bro, your mic, bro.
My mic?
So, yeah, it's a bit loud.
Oh, my bad. You can probably lower my volume.
Yeah.
Yo,
Bro,
yo,
bro.
what's up?
Uh, really, thank you for the motivation, bro. Not gonna lie, bro.
Yeah, of course.
The thing,
Yo, what's up?
because
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
because in Denmark, bro, like people don't really have the faith, um, and all that. I really gotta say thank you, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Yo, what's up? You read the personal message?
Yeah, I briefly read it.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm trying to say. And yeah, you obviously know I said I used to hate you. Now I don't because I understand that I just envy you because, I want to be where you are. I'm not, first of all, let's just say I'm not glazing, all right? I'm not glazing. I just admire that you started, you're committed, you're consistent. I can't hate someone who's going the same way.
I appreciate
It's
it. I
crazy. And
appreciate it.
Yeah, me
so
too,
what I'm
bro.
saying, all I'm saying is like when I've been in this channel for probably 2 months, like this is the first time you've actually been in the channel. I'm telling you now, if you join like at least once or twice a week, like there's gonna be a whole lot more engagement and there's gonna be a whole lot more support because they can see you're human, bro. You're human.
Yeah, 100%. And so, kind of where I was coming at is, like, I originally want to have a community where everyone could trade, everyone could share ideas, but just like once we started growing the server, just like everyone's trading different things, and I just don't think it's like that beneficial, because like I'm gonna talk about something, and then someone's gonna have a whole nother view on like what price is doing, and then it got to a point where I'm like, yo, maybe it would be better if I just restarted fresh, and then that's kind of what I'm doing now, starting
Yeah,
fresh.
No,
bro.
I
Like
oh
like
sorry.
this guy and how do you
Anochi?
Yeah, like this guy Anachi said, he used to hate you, bro. Like the I like
You
on my for you
understand?
page, my for you page, I saw you day one starting with your journaling type of thing. Um, I was thinking, who is this dude? And I've been following now. I really love your stuff, bro.
I appreciate it.
Hmm. Yeah, I can't lie, bro. You know, hey man, I don't know if you'll know me now, but we made. Oh, look at this! Now everyone's joining. What did I say, bro? What?
Yeah,
Anyway, to the point,
everyone's in here now. This is the first time
Yeah.
I've been in the live trading channel in a minute. It's been a minute.
Yeah, bro.
But
Yeah,
I'll still
bro.
pop around in this Discord every once in a while. But
That's
like,
calm. I kind of.
just know it's all love. It's all love. And I hope.
Yeah, it's calm. You know, I did start a bit of beef, but that was just all like it was. I didn't really give a fuck. You know,
I know I understand. I understand. Like, there's a Discord going, and then all of a sudden the owner's like, "Yo, I want to completely just disrespect everything that we've been doing in here."
So I just like fuck everyone, bro. ICT for life.
I wasn't
What's
trying to
good,
come
family?
across like that. I just wanted to be like, hey, I want to have a server with people that trade exactly like me. I think that would be more beneficial. So that's kind of what I started. What's good, Ado? How you doing?
No,
What's good? What's good? I'm just making a coffee real quick. How y'all doing
Honestly-
this morning?
yeah, pretty good.
Chill.
Honestly, I can understand your point of view for how you just want it to be curated just to ICT members. That's completely fair. It's just, yeah, I think it could work both ways. But I understand that if you're in a trade and someone says the opposite view, then price goes against you. Then you can think that it's going against you.
Fucking
But
Isaac.
yeah, so I understand it. But you know, also funny thing is, right? I'm not trying to lie here or nothing. I was going the exact same route as you, and then I saw you, and you were like 10, 50 steps ahead of me. So I was like, fuck, you know. And then shit, then you started like leaving everyone here, like how I thought. And I was like, you know what? Since you know this is happening, I just saw an opportunity. But now I understand how it feels like. It kind of feels like disrespect that someone that you know the effort that you've put into this, and then I'm just kind of trying to siphon it. But
Oh
yeah.
no, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's good talking to you. It's been like what, 2 months? And then boom, let's go. Yeah.
2 months since
Hell
our
yeah.
live.
Wait, how?
Goddamn camera on.
No, 2 months. 2 months since.
I wanted to tell Caleb something straight up to his face, because honestly, bro, like I appreciate you a lot for what you've done, for the growth you've done, bro. Like when I tell you, you got bigger balls than the most of us, right? Most of us, we don't even want to record some videos and go out there and do stuff like that on social media.
Real.
So, great job doing that. Continue what you're doing. I'm totally okay with you refining what you're doing, bro. I'm super happy that you're doing it because it's a stage that every trader goes through, right? Every trader in the beginning learns different strategies from different people. They find something that works with their flow, and then they refine, and then you just focus on that. Because you got to get in the flow of what you're good at, you know. So, yeah, man, dude. Prayers, best of blessings for everything that you got going, and just hats off for what you've been building, bro. Like you've been just keep grinding at it, even though there's no like monetization behind it or anything like that yet. You'll get to that point, bro, and you'll literally like you'll be a known trader in years, bro. Like, don't even worry about it.
Yeah, thank
It's
you.
gonna be
I
amazing.
appreciate that.
I completely agree. I completely agree. I can say it
But-
better than Ido. I can lie.
What's your name again? You're you know what's his name? Jonas. You know Jonas? Aiden? Is it Adon?
Ado,
Ado? Yeah, you know Jonas, right?
I believe Jonas, yeah, Jonas OP.
Yeah, Jonas. Yeah, Jonas AP. Wait, how long have you been trading for? I'm actually.
Jonas?
No, you.
I've been training for
Oh,
goddamn
me?
12 years
I've been
now.
trading since 2018.
Looks like we're about to hit buy side here. Again, we're already in an already existing market maker buy model, so this would just be a structure shift on the higher time frame. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. If we leave buy side here, that would be the best.
Trading. So I've gone down every rabbit hole. So when it comes to ICT, that was a good way for me to structuralize my way, so to speak, but it didn't create the foundation of what I mainly do as a trader. But it helped me kind of just identify certain things and give names to certain formations or things in the market that I can now see and use. but I don't use it as a direct like, hey, this is my checklist and this is the only thing I'm going down, because I've developed my own over time. And I just like, like Sut says, everybody sees the market differently. So what I see can say buys and what you see can say sells. And it just kind of fluctuates between perspectives. So, but I've gone down ICT. I've done every single indicator trying to see whatever strategies those can do. I'm a bot coder too, so MetaTrader, I've coded a bunch of trading bots for it. Yeah,
Damn.
so bunch of fun stuff. But
How does it feel being a profitable trader?
well, it takes a while to get there, and then once you get there, you don't feel like you are. So that's the thing, is as trading goes, being a profitable trader in my perspective isn't a monetary value. It's more of the consistency of understanding that the craft is an adaptable market, and you have to understand that a profitable trader isn't someone who has a solid strategy or is really good. It's more about how they can adapt to the market and change, right? And that's one thing, is the biggest line of profitability really is mentality, and it's not just dollar values. Because I've seen people in here with 50K blow 10K and be like, it's fine, I'm fine. But I'm like, bro, like, you're gonna go from 50, take it to 100. You're not gonna do that by losing 10. So it just depends on the mentality.
What do you trade, Idol?
Personally, I'm a forex trader and a binary options trader. So on forex, I mainly focus on gold, oil, NAS 100 are the main three that I focus on. I've been tapping into Solana a little bit because the crypto's been paying out pretty nice. But other than that, that's mainly what I focus on. And then in binary options, are just currencies because they follow market structure really well. I'm gonna go get my coffee real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay. But will you still be in the call? Because I'm just actually I'm
Yeah.
asking
I'll be here.
you this. Wait, Sut as well, and also Ado. Have you guys
Mhm.
experienced like those points of depression where you're just like you've gone almost insane?
Oh yeah.
Uh,
Oh yeah.
no. I'm
Have
currently
you seen the
like
movie
suffering.
Does he say depression?
Have you seen the Avengers, the movie?
Oh yeah.
So you know how the Hulk says they always question him. They're like, "Hey, how'd you do it? How did you master it?"
Yeah.
He's like, "It's not that I'm not mad. It's I'm always mad. I just know when to control it."
Yeah.
So
But also another thing.
when you're
is
dealing
it-
with those mental blockades or mental emotions, you feel like you're kind of cycling, so to speak. Um, just remember that this is a long-term game. You're here to play the sport. You're not here to play the game. You're not trying to beat the scoreboard. You're just trying to beat your own game, right?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I'm not gonna lie. Here could be the long on ES, but I don't like this because NQ already took the draw. NQ has already took this high, but we are in a search and destroy went crazy. Was that what? Is that what that means? Is that what you're saying?
And a lot of people that
Yeah.
it's like around 3 years for them to be profitable.
Yeah, and I'll tell you, like, from that point till here, it's just been kind of, whatchamacallit, plateau, so to speak. So it's kind of just evened out. But when it comes to what I got building coming up, I've spent the last 2 years kind of devising, I don't want to say devising a formula, but I've created my own system of compounding that now I'm just attacking that versus just trying to build up a personal profile. Because if I have a personal trading account, I could easily grow it, but it's just boring for me when I'm like up at 10K and then I'm just making a few K. I'm like, yeah, money's nice, but I want a challenge to me. So I'm doing a small account compounding challenge with a system I call the Eighth Wonder, but it's basically called direct compound trading. So I've been just attacking that kind of personal challenge that I've made, because everybody's dealing with prop firms, and I'm like, fuck prop firms. You guys got to build your own money. So
That's true. I'm currently using prop firms just to build my own money because I
Yeah,
haven't really got
yeah.
capital, so I gotta use it to make capital. But yeah.
Exactly. And that's what they're good for, is to do that and get accustomed and utilized by it. Another thing too is, in my perspective, um, if you're gonna throw $200 at 10K and it's only gonna pay you out $1,000, then just learn how to turn that 200 into 1,000, right?
Yeah.
Because that's the thing too, is like, I've had friends where I've told them and shown them, and like, look, bro, like I'll show you how to like manage $200 easily, and you just gotta be smart with it.
Banned from
They're like, no, I'd rather throw it into this and be able to manage 10K. I'm like, bro,
yeah.
you're not managing
This
10K.
this guy's the one that
You're
banned
managing
you.
$500
This guy's the
because
one
you
that
got your
banned you.
5% loss. That's all they gave you. It's $500.
I created a new Discord.
So, but anyway, I don't want to go on a rant about prop firms and stuff, but my perspective has always been build your own capital. But
Yeah.
if you use prop firms to gain and kind of leverage it to, build some financial foundation for yourself, and that's totally fine, bro. Like, I'm not against it. I won't ever say bad about it, because honestly, that's what helps a lot of traders get forward.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, hold
Damn.
up.
So I'm guessing you would classify yourself as outside the matrix, so to speak.
That's a good way to put it. Yeah, personally, I'm not a big hype trend follower, and I've always been a lone wolf, so to speak. Never been a sigma or never been an alpha guy, never been a beta guy. I've always been like a sigma guy who I know I have value, but I don't need to be the guy in the limelight to get praise for it and shit. Like, I'll just give you the
You bite
value
your
and you just go
nails?
run with it, So,
No.
What's that?
yes,
Damn.
sir.
Okay. Wait, did you trade today? Or
I'm trading right now. I'm trading Solana. I'm just on a.
Bro, I want to head out of here, but these guys are just yapping right now. I want to head out of here, but do I just feel like, oh, I'm headed out, or do I just leave?
Who here has an iPhone?
yeah, I got an
You
iPhone.
You guys got an iPhone? Yeah.
Yep.
Let me see. Can I share my screen?
I want to head out, but like, I don't want to like interrupt it.
And the refocus on small account trading.
Yo, I'm finna head out right now. Hopefully y'all have a good rest of your day though. Good talking to y'all.
I know it, man.
All right, have a good one. All right. All right. I'm pull up to the live trading in my other Discord, my new one. Bro, do you know more trades? I don't. Bro, certified Sigma. Hot take: profitability in trade is strictly consistent financial gains over time. Yeah, I mean isn't that what profitability is? They speak in value, low key, bro. You should be listening. It's cool, cause I'm trying to lock in. I'm trying to trade. I'm trying to do my own thing here. But I never got offered an entry. Really. The only entry I really see here is maybe this little breaker fair value gap, but I'm not taking that because we have these equal lows here. I really want these equal lows to get souped up to this high. This is a good market maker buy model. Just didn't get offered an entry, and that's okay. Well, Ado was saying it's objective. He was basically saying it's consistency and improving. Do y'all want me to head back in the call? Do y'all want me to hop back in that? Bro, I don't even know what a sigma is. Your target was already hit. Reconsider? Nah, I won't. How do I find the 2.0 Discord? It's in my Instagram bio. If you go to my Instagram, it's in my bio. The new ICT Discord is in my bio. Go to my bio. Free ICT server. My YouTube's here. That free trading simulator is also in there. But I might remove this. I don't make anything off of that. Woo! I don't know how many like actual followers I have because I got botted and then I think I removed most of them, but I think I still have some botted followers. Yeah. I think Turtle Soup when his reach is gonna continue to lower. I think the Turtle Soup when it reached is gonna continue to the lower wind of the bearish fair value gap, maybe the lows. I don't really understand what that means. But the reason why I'm not really entirely looking to take a long just off a fair value gap, I'm not looking to really take a long off a fair value gap in a premium of the market. Bro, buying bots? No, someone like botted my account. Someone botted my account. Someone botted my account. And I don't like literally I woke up and I had like 13,000 followers. I'm like, bro, I was just at like 6,000. It was weird. Lower end of the bullish fair value gap. Lower end. On what time frame?
Caleb,
Yo, what's good?
what ICT playlist have you watched?
Playlist? I've seen the 2022 mentorship. At least like
Yeah.
a little bit of it. And honestly, I haven't watched too much of ICT. I mainly watched Justin Werling. He pretty much trades ICT concepts. And
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he's cool. But he trades too much, bro.
yeah,
Like
he does.
fucking 4 trades a day. I can't do that.
Yeah, it's just what it is.
Just
It's
trying
all
to get
about
out.
finding what works for you, what doesn't.
Yeah, true.
You said you want. Alright, so hold up. You want that many followers, bro? Then get it. Then get it, dog. If you want that many followers, then get it, bro. You want 15,000 followers? Get it, bro. You think I just woke up and shit? I had 15,000 followers? No, brother. 443 posts. 443 posts. Every single day. Every single day. My guy. Look, every single day. Constantly improving along the way. We'll keep on going. Every single day. Dang, this video got like 200k views. That's insane. Yeah, I low-key like the buzz cut on me a lot better, honestly. I look like a British kid. What do you mean? This is the same site I followed. Have I changed? Have I? I look British? Bro, what am I doing here? Look at that trade, though. What do I go like up like this in the camera. Have I changed? This is my first like popping video. Alright, oh my gosh. I look like a straight up damn potato. Oh my gosh. Ever since Nicholas left. Just got stopped. I'm not actually in that trade.
Next $100 while live on Twitch.
I don't know if you can see, but this is the first video. Plus 206 on the day. You know, we came in with a game plan. We're staying true to our size. We found a good entry. We stayed with that trade, and look, our take profit barely got wicked. So we got filled.
I trade live every single trading day. Yes, you heard it right. Every single trading day. I am
This is
here,
December 4th.
committed to the excitement.
Today we made some bread while live. Here's the exact trade we took on SPY today. We do this live every day on YouTube. Every day we're live. Today we made some bread while live.
Just
Here's
look
the
at
exact
the
trade we
trade I
took
was
on
taking.
SPY today. We do this live.
I would trade based off of break of structure, which would pretty much just be
Today we're
breakouts.
live. No trades for us today.
This is a video I was referencing.
Why? Because it's FOMC. We're not trading on FOMC today. Like, look at this price.
Dude, this is pre FOMC. I'm like, I'm not trading today versus FOMC.
Price action we got going.
This is my first like YouTube video that
Going
gained
on.
like something.
We're not trading.
If you want to see someone go from $0 a month to $10,000 a month, then follow my YouTube. I'm showing you guys my whole process, what I'm doing. All of it is transparent.
Like, it's gonna suck at first.
Day 4 of live trading every day on YouTube until
No trades from us today. We wanted price to go lower. It never did. Kind of just consolidated the whole time and then went up a little bit higher, but that's about it. I'm glad we didn't trade today. We'll be back at it Monday. The S&P 500 could make all-time highs. We've had 7 straight weeks of green, and we could extend up into these previous highs. The S&P 500 could make all-time highs.
Why am I posting this, dog? What type of value does this provide? Yeah, the stock market might make all-time highs. No shit, bro. The stock market's always gonna make all-time highs.
We've had 7 straight weeks of green, and we could
This is 3 months ago, too. Wait, if it's December 19th to March 19th? Because that's either 3 months or 4 months. I don't know how it... That was 3 months ago! This is 3 months ago.
extend up into these previous highs. The S&P 500
90 days ago.
Patience is the name of the game. We just gotta wait. We want price to react off of any of these
Guys.
zones. We're just waiting to see what price will do. Patience is the name of the game.
Look at this, y'all. I'm looking at a straight up move. A straight up move. The objective has probably already been taken. And I'm looking at, bro, what is this, the golden Easter egg? Why is this one golden? Why is this one green? Why is this purple? And why do I have EMA on my chart, bro?
We didn't trade at all today. We came in looking for calls. We had news that dropped at 8, so we weren't going to trade until then. And then the market just rallied. We couldn't find a good
This is probably a market maker buy model.
trade entry, so we never end up trading, which that's okay. There's going to be some days when you just aren't going to enter. You're not gonna like what the market's presenting.
You're gonna make future millionaires by saying this. Objective already taken. Proceeds to enter a trade when an objective has been met. Have I done that recently? Oh, dog. We just souped the low on ES, which, yeah, we could buy up to these highs, but I'm really not looking to trade this just because we already met it on ES, or on NQ, but this is the soup that I've been looking for. Now we have a fair value gap. It's just this can work up to buy side, but really, y'all, there's no need for me to take this when NQ already is taking this high. So now we have some form of SMT. But yeah, we're gonna keep on watching.
Continue, and that's
This is
okay.
gold.
But we'll SMP ski with the dump ski. SMP ski.
Dog, was the spy guy on? Like, did the spy guy know about me here? Hold up, shoot, my bad. Oh my gosh, I just lost where I was at. Here we go.
I promise you, if you stay consistent with something and actually show up day in, day out, you will succeed. Nowadays, people's attention spans are too short, and they don't actually want to put in the work to do something. A lot of people quit because it gets too hard, but I promise you, if you actually push through that, you will succeed. I promise you, if you stay consistent with something,
I sound
and
like a
actually
dried
show
up
day
grape.
in, day out, you will succeed.
This
Nowadays,
is-
people's attention
this
spans are
is-
too short, and they don't
Like,
actually
what type
want
of
to put in the
energy am I bringing here?
Think about who you want to be, and then take the steps towards who that person is every day. Think about who you want to
This is why I do not care what anyone says about me. This is why I don't care.
We
Y'all
took
can
one.
talk so much shit about me. I do not care.
We moved our stop loss up to break
Because
even,
this
and
is
we
where
ended
I
up getting
was.
stopped out.
This is where I was.
just trying to
under-
de-risk today
just
'cause we
about
had
3
a bad
months
week.
ago.
This was officially our last trade of this year, and we'll be back at it next year.
How do you go to bed at night knowing that you're not full porting your account every day? Like, why are you not full?
You got added to the Snap group chat December 24th.
If you're not trading with a stop loss, you're setting yourself up.
Hey!
You're more
there
likely
he
to
is.
hold on
Is
to
that-
a trade or not close that position just because you have hope that it'll go back into the direction you want it to go. See, the worst fear is the fear of losing. See, I've done this before, but I think that loss right then and
Bro,
there
I
was,
got
like,
the
worst thing in the
I
world.
got like the
But
porno
it really
POV
isn't. It
here,
just ends
like
up
she's
getting
sucking my
worse and worse, and
meat
you
right.
just don't close that position.
Even
Why-
if the trade
why
goes
am-
back in your direction, you just got rewarded by a bad habit, which is never good.
Bro, my
Stop
camera's
losses
like all
are
the way
there
down
just
here.
to take the thinking out of it, and always use a stop loss. If you're not trading,
Trading is probably one of the only few professions you can have to where you are competing.
everything you do, just don't think about.
Imagine where you would be in a month from now if you actually started today. This is the worst type of procrastination
That,
because
this
it
is
doesn't feel
facts.
like
This is game.
procrastination.
Imagine,
See, there's not a
imagine,
clear deadline
imagine where you would be in a month from now if you started today.
because no one's forcing you to do it. You don't have
Imagine where you could be a month from now. This is 3 months ago. Imagine where you could be 4 months from now if you just start today. Just be consistent with it. Keep going. Keep striving. Because, bro, like, just looking at all this, looking at where I'm at now, like, I'm really just trying to motivate y'all. Because, dude, just look at this.
Bitch, don't get too comfortable. Better not get too comfortable.
Hey, see that?
Bitch, don't
This
get
was
too
on fire. This was fire, bro.
Better not get
Notice?
too comfortable.
Woohoo! When you said too comfortable, that was smooth. I probably just got copyrighted for that.
I'm in Hawaii right now. This place is so beautiful. I'm so blessed to be here. I won't be trading at all while I'm here. I'm just gonna enjoy this vacation I'm on. I'll be posting content like. If I could give you any advice right now, it would be to pick up a book. How to get more out.
No, I don't really like that.
You might be controlled by your phone. Be honest.
Oh, bro.
Most of your time is spent on your phone doing useless things that won't even matter tomorrow. I want you to actually think about why you're using your phone and what you actually need it for. Because I can guarantee you don't need your phone. Everyone's becoming addicted.
Do you believe that the music industry is satanic? I would say it's more like...
We all expect to be perfect. And in reality, no one's perfect. We want to project our lives as seen as being perfect. We want to find the right picture that we look the best in. We just want to be the best. Your ego's...
Alright, let me at least... I'm not taking anything just because, like, the model's already been finished. We are within our existing buy model, but I would need to see much higher displacement. So it's just not really worth taking. Yeah, I didn't get caught in entry. But I'm okay with that because I was able to notice the model. I will annotate this. If you guys are in my Discord, I have chart annotations that I'll annotate everything, every possible trade. I'll annotate, constantly get better, constantly improve. That's what I'm getting better at. We had a clean. There was a clean. I'll be right back. But this was a clean entry early. Did someone sub? Hey, thanks for the sub. I heard the notification. I was in the bathroom. 23 Titans. I appreciate the sub. Brother. Thank you. Much love. Yeah, where were we going? See, it's honestly not about the destination, y'all. It's not about the destination. And this can sound corny as it can be. But it's really not about the destination. It's about you constantly improving on the way to becoming better. Bro, look at this guy here. This is like less than 3 months
steps
ago.
in the direction to get there. You gotta believe in yourself.
3 months, y'all. 3 months. Your life can transform within 3 months. Do you know what I was thinking here? I thought that maybe I would never be able to do what I'm doing today. But you gotta believe in yourself. You have to have some sort of belief in yourself. You gotta be a little bit crazy. Oh, this was a W trip, y'all. This was a fantastic trip. In Hawaii, they weighed me before going in the helicopter. I was 192 pounds. I was 192 pounds here. I weigh myself today. I'm 167 pounds. And I've kept all the muscle. I've kept all the muscle.
Actually take that first step, then you can achieve that goal. So start smaller until you worry about the big picture. You can't get up the staircase. Be a student. Always look to be better and always listen.
News dropped. Then we got these big candles upside, and then we got a massive rejection. And here's a little 15-minute bounce, and then we kept on going lower. And then on the 1 minute,
Dog. I'm liquidity. Why am I shorting this here? This is 3 months ago. Y'all. Keep in mind. Less than 3 months ago. It hasn't even been a full 3 months. Dude, on God, Eddie.
Day 12 of live
This is like a whole 5-point stop loss. It's like a whole 5-point stop loss.
If you want to join an actual Discord, one where people don't just try to sell you a course,
I look like a shit up.
then join the one in my bio or DM me. We have real people in there, people that if you trade, join my Discord. We have real people in here where we discuss pre-market and post.
Hey, this was the beginning of the Discord.
Market every day. No one is trying to sell you a course, and if you trade, join my Discord. We have real people.
Y'all, do y'all mess with Reigns? Get a Rain energy drink. The Rain energy. Oh, bro, I might go and get one today. Just get fired up, bro. Should Monday next Monday? Orange Dreamsicle, bro. I miss the blue, but those like Red Bulls. At least I don't know. I don't need caffeine, but one day I think Monday. Should I get caffeinated Monday? Should I just down a Rain before the stream on Monday? I'm kind of curious. I wanna see it. I wanna see it.
I just want to let you know I believe in you. Like, real shit, I believe in you. I don't know who you are, where you're from, anything about you, but I actually believe in you. Keep putting the...
Down 2? No, that's insane.
Beginning, we had high impact news in the morning. We rallied, and then we made these 2 equal highs. I wanted us to reach this supply zone, but we never did. And then
January 5th,
we
y'all.
ended up getting a clean break. We held below this EMA, and that's what I was really looking for. I was looking.
Colin, do you remember this? Do you remember this trade? This was the trade when we were when it was you, me, and Chris in that call. Do you remember that? You, me, and Chris. I'm pretty sure that's what this was.
And that's what happened.
Oh my gosh, bro. Ooh, bro, 6,000 likes?
I am not profitable. So why would you look at me? Why would you give me any attention? Because I'm showing you full transparency.
Dang, bro, this is like 5 weeks ago.
I am not profitable.
I was thinking about not running today. Taking a day off, resting because I had a major calf cramp and my calf kind of hurts. But after like watching these videos, I'm so fired up right now. Just after seeing this.
Imagine where that could take you. Just imagine you show up every day, you stay disciplined, you don't cheat yourself. Imagine where you could be. Imagine who you could be. Don't waste another opportunity. You've already done it in the past. Don't do it again.
Like
I promise you, bro, it will. Here's what my all-time P&L looks like on Webull. A lot of people don't want to show you what they look like at their low.
Stand on what you said you were going to do when you no longer wanted to do it.
We had this major support level, and then we continued bullish, and then we got this retracement, what we wanted to see, and then if we go over the 1 minute, we retrace.
Oh my gosh, dog! I have liquidity. We just took liquidity. Now we're heading lower. Big displacement lower. Big displacement lower. Oh my gosh. I do remember that. I'm pretty sure we all took that together. That was like our. I know, yeah. I know I for sure took it. I don't really truly remember if you did though.
This was me just 3 months ago. I was working my ass off. Don't trade.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make a video about this.
You ain't gonna get it if you never work for it. A lot of people want.
That's crazy, y'all.
Don't cheat the process. Don't try to make.
That's crazy, y'all.
Put that work in today. Put that work in right now. Get up. It's not too late. Get up right now. It's not too late. And put some work in right now, bro. I promise you, you'll feel great. Put that work in today.
That was the first run I ever went on.
Right now.
No. Yeah, that was after a run.
I'm getting on here just to be honest with you guys. I'm struggling right now to find a strategy for me. There's a lot of strategies. There's a lot of ways to trade.
Woo! January 14th, bro. Less than, like 3 months ago. Struggling. Did not know what to do. I was lost. I was hopeless. I didn't know what I should do. I was struggling.
So many to do it. And right now, I'm not really finding a strategy for me. I know over time.
The best way if you're struggling is to get up and keep
I'm not profitable yet, but I guarantee you some course over the next 1 to 2 years, I will be profitable. I promise you it will happen. My daily bias today on NQ. We now took a... If you're... Don't cheat the process.
Hold up. I'm gonna make a video right now.
to chart, then I would highly recommend it. It's by far the best free charting platform.
Don't trade more than one thing until you're profitable at one. I did this mistake when I first started, but if you really want to get the concepts of trading and how it actually works, you want to focus on one stock. You want to master that one before you branch out into others.
It's
All
not
stocks
about
have the
who
same
you are
principles,
today.
but kind of move a little bit differently.
So try to
I'm
lock
looking
in
back
on
at my
one before
previous
you branch
videos.
out
Look
to
at who I
others.
was. This is under
Don't
2
trade
months
more than
ago.
one thing until you're profitable at one.
It does
I did
not
this
matter
mistake
who
when
you
I
are
first
today. It
started,
matters about who
but if you
are.
really want to get
Who
the
are you
concepts
becoming?
of
Who are you
trading and how it
constantly
actually
improving
works,
on?
you want to focus
Yeah.
on one stock. You want to master that one before you branch out into others. All stocks have the same principles, but kind of move a
Nah,
little
what was
bit
I gonna
differently.
say?
So try to lock in on one before you branch out to
It's
others.
not about the destination.
Don't trade
it's
more than
about
one thing
constantly
until you're
improving on
profitable
the
at
way
one.
to
I
that
did this mistake when I
destination.
first started, but if you really want to get the concepts of trading
This is
and
why
how
I
it
love
actually
doing
works,
what I do. This
you
is just
want to
under
focus
2
on
months
one
ago.
stock. You want to master that one before you branch out into
I'm getting
others.
fired up just
All
looking
stocks
at
have
who
the
I
same
used to be
principles, but
just
kind of
under
move a
2
little
months
bit
ago.
differently.
Don't compare
So try to
yourself to
lock
anyone
in
else.
on one before
Compare
you branch
yourself
out to
to who
others.
you were yesterday.
Don't trade
Become
more
better
than one
yourself.
thing until
Don't
you're
care about what
profitable
other
at
people are
one.
doing.
I
Do
did
what
this
you're
mistake
doing.
when I first started, but if you
Because
really
as soon
want
as
to
I
get the
start to compare
concepts of
myself with
trading
other
and how it
people,
actually
I'll get
works,
jealous.
you
I'll
want to
get
focus
envious,
on one
and I'll
stock.
start to just live
You
my
want to
life
master
in
that one
fears.
before you branch out into others. All stocks have the same
Because when I
principles,
start
but kind of
comparing
move a
myself to
little
other
bit
people, I'll
differently.
just get
So
envious
try
and
to
I'll
lock
get
in on
jealous.
one before you branch out to others.
That's not
Don't
the way
trade
to live
more than
life,
one
bro.
thing until you're
Become better
profitable at
yourself
one.
1%
I did
every-
this mistake when I first started, but if you really want to get the
That's
concepts
not
of
the way to
trading
live
and
life,
how it
bro.
actually
Just
works,
become yourself.
you want to
Become
focus on
yourself,
one
bro.
stock.
Oh my gosh.
You
I'm
want to
tweaking
master
right
that
now.
one before you branch
But
out
that's
into
not
others.
the way to live life.
All
Just
stocks have the
become
same
1%
principles,
better
but
every
kind of
day,
move a
and
little
I
bit
promise you,
differently.
you'll look
So
back
try to
on
lock
who
in
you
on
were,
one before
and
you
you'll
branch
become.
out to others.
Don't trade more than one thing
Just
until
get
you're
1%
profitable
better
at
every
one.
day, and I promise you,
I did this
you'll look
mistake when I
back and
first
be
started,
proud of who you
but
were
if you really
and
want to
how
get the
far that you have
concepts of
come.
trading and how it actually works, you want to focus on one stock. You want to master that one before you branch out into others. All stocks have the same principles, but kind of move a little bit differently.
So try to lock in on one before you branch out to others.
Don't trade more than one thing until you're profitable at one. I did this mistake when I first started, but if you really want to get the concepts of trading and how it actually works, you want to focus on one stock. You want to master that one before you branch out into others. All stocks have the same principles, but kind of move a little bit differently.
So try to lock in on
Alright.
one before you branch out
Hold
to
up.
others.
Low-key, I was...
Don't trade more than one thing until you're
That probably was bad for you guys. Alright, let's see.
I promise you the markets are always going to be there the next day. There's always going
Okay.
to be more opportunity.
Okay, starting to get a little bit better.
Let me put you on real quick. First, you want to get YouTube Premium? Trust me, it's worth it. Be humble, drop your ego, and know you have room to improve. All of us, we all have room to improve. We all have room to grow. So drop your ego.
We're gonna go over the trade that we just took. As you can see, going into the day, I had a bearish bias until we got to here. This is exactly what I was looking for. This is exactly what I want to see. We perfectly rejected off
Kind
this.
of counter trending here. I don't like that.
No trades for me again today.
It's just a month in the market, bro.
Here are the mistakes that I made today. I did get caught up in my bias again. My daily
Hold on. I kind of want to post one of these on my story. All right. I could have been looking to take a short here to these equal lows. Do we have an SMT here? We had an SMT at the highs. No. Y'all. I'm low-key gonna head out of here. I'm not gonna trade anything. I think that we're gonna get good action for the rest of the day, but it's not worth me trading this. Or I think that we will get another buy model today, but I'm gonna have a decent rest of my day. I'm gonna go watch some basketball right now. Baylor's playing. Hopefully y'all do the same. Hopefully y'all have a good weekend. Normally I would be on here a lot longer. and I probably will continue to be on here a lot longer next week. But right now, we're in all-time highs. This is this was good action today. I just wasn't offered an entry, and I knew that. And constantly getting better is what we're doing here. So I'll be live Monday. Should I pop an energy drink? What do y'all think? Again, the live streams have been so much better recently. I appreciate you guys. We're gonna continue to grow, continue to grind. I'm not going anywhere. We're going till I die. We're going till I stop. We go until I get put in the grave. There's no reason for me to stop. There's no stopping me. There's no quitting me. Just because I'm getting off now, I know it kind of sucks. I do want to be here on here all day, but honestly, it's not that. It's just not. It's not the best for me to be on here for every waking second of the trading hour. Again, it is lunch hour, so appreciate you. We'll be there Monday. Hopefully I'll see you Monday. Yeah, we'll grow together, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys soon. So, anyways, just enjoy your weekend. Spend some time out of the charts. Like, I know you can grind all you want, but spend some time outside of the charts, and